In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix CapCut problem maximum number of attempts reached. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, that error on CapCut PC usually triggers when the app server security flags your network's IP, device cache, or login requests as suspicious. This frequently happens if you're using a VPN, switching accounts quickly, or when the local app data corrupts. So if CapCut PC is open, completely close it. Then what we're going to do is press Windows key and R, and it's going to open up this little run menu. So what I want to do here is type in percentage local app data percentage, and then go ahead and press enter on it. Now, once it does, locate the CapCut folder. So I'm going to scroll down, go over to CapCut, and then open it. Then open up the user data folder. Once you go ahead and open it, go ahead and find cache, and then delete everything that is inside cache. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete all of this stuff right now. Relaunch CapCut and try logging in or exporting again, and the system is going to treat it as a clean session. Now, it's as simple as that. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.